Hi, sweet ones, and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we sink into deep presence here and now. I invite you to take a moment to arrive here, wherever you are. This is your space, a sacred space. Allow your body to settle. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you, holding you in this moment. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with the present, and exhale out any tension, any thoughts that pull you away from this now. Breathing in and breathing out. As you continue to breathe, imagine with every inhale, you're pulling in the energy of this present moment. Wherever you are, whether you're in a familiar place or exploring new surroundings, feel that energy expand through your chest, filling your entire body. And as you exhale, let go of any distractions, any need to be anywhere else but here. You are right where you're supposed to be. Breathing in and breathing out. Now gently bring your awareness to your feet, or the part of your body that is currently touching the earth. Feel the connection, the steady, unwavering presence of the ground beneath you. With each inhale, breathe in the energy of this earth, grounding, steady, ancient. Let it remind you that no matter where you go, no matter how unfamiliar the space, you are always supported. On your exhale, release any energy that feels ungrounded, any feelings of disconnection. Let it all flow back into the earth to be transmuted. Breathing in and breathing out. Begin to draw your attention inward. Imagine your heart space glowing softly with a gentle light. This light represents your presence, your ability to be fully here now. Feel the light pulse with your breath, growing a little brighter with each inhale. Now visualize the light expanding beyond your body, filling the space around you. You are not just in this space. You are this space. You are connected with everything around you, part of the divine dance of life. With your next breath, allow this light to expand even further, filling every room you've ever stepped into, every city, every landscape. You are everywhere you've ever been. Every place holds a part of you. And now allow that energy to settle, letting it come back to this moment, to this sacred space you are in right now. Feel how you are held by this moment. The divine lives here, in the quiet, in the stillness. Can you feel it? Now, as you sit with this presence, reflect for a moment. How does it feel to be fully here, in this body, in this moment? What do you notice when you allow yourself to surrender to presence and simply be? There is no rush, no need to plan the next step. Simply feel this moment, the gift of this presence, here, now. And as you breathe here, take a moment to connect with your heart. What does it want to say to you in this space of presence? Listen. There is a wisdom in the stillness. Allow whatever message you receive to come through without judgment, without needing to understand it all. Simply be open to what arises. And now, as we begin to bring this sacred practice to a close, gently bring your awareness back to your body, back to the space around you. Feel yourself resting on the earth, your body relaxing in this space. Taking a deep breath in, filling your body with gratitude for this moment, for this practice. And as you exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. You are present. You are here. You are connected. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this presence with you as you move through your day, knowing that this moment, this space is sacred. Namaste.